Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best bidet attachments that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Greenco Slim Hot and Cold Water Spray. Hot and cold bidet with a new slim design and a modern sleek look. Bidets are highly recommended by doctors. They are therapeutic and far more hygienic than conventional toilet paper. It is soothing and leaves you cleaner and fresher. Enjoy the luxury of this bidet in the comfort of your own home. It is easy to install with a step-by-step instruction manual with no special tools needed. Easy to access knob on the side for temperature and pressure adjustments. You can also adjust the spray nozzle according to your own preference, for hygienic cleansing or for a feminine wash. When finished, nozzle will automatically retract. Made of durable high-quality plastic that does not rust. And includes 2 hoses, one stainless steel flex hose for hot water and PP hose for cold water. At number 4. Lux Bidet Neo 110 Freshwater Non-Electric Mechanical Bidet. One of the top-notch products coming at number 8 is the Neo 110 by Lux Bidet. With a slim and sleek design, it comes with the finest quality parts which are made of hard steel instead of mechanical plastic. Being a non-electronic bidet, it is quite easy to install on any toilet seat within minutes. It is available in 2 colors of white and blue. The best part is that you get an 18-month warranty with quality customer support as well. A few customers felt that the water pressure is too high even on the lowest settings, but isn't of the much big deal. Have it purchased. At number 3. Lux Bidet Neo 180 Self-Cleaning Dual Nozzle. Another great one by the same company is the Neo 180, which has a slightly better design than the Neo 110. Applicable to a standard 2-piece toilet, it is quite easy to install and use. It has several wonderful features which made it into the top 10. Firstly, it comes with a dual nozzle to provide a calm and gentle wash to both females and males. Nozzles are safe and clean at all times since they come with a built-in cleaning system, and they are retractable as well. High-quality metal has been used to craft the nozzles, which make this bidet attachment as a long-lasting one. It is available in blue and white and comes with a warranty period of 18 months under which you can have the company contacted for any problems. At number 2. Lux Bidet Neo 185, Elite Series, Self-Cleaning Dual Nozzle. Lux Bidet has the Neo 185 amongst its Elite series because this is a masterpiece. It comes with a sleek and attractive design which is not only eye-catching but it is also easy to install. You can install it on any 2-piece toilet seat. Feminine wash and masculine wash both are present, which makes it relatively comfortable for women to have this bidet used. The nozzles are kept retractable in order to keep them clean. High-pressure valves along with braided steel hoses have been used in crafting this bidet. Have your favorite one chosen from the 2 colors of blue and white. Finally, at number 1. Lux Bidet Neo 120 Self-Cleaning Nozzle, Best Sellers. Coming on number 1, it is yet another product by the company Lux Bidet. The company has always designed bidets which are very useful for the users in an exceptional way and perform in a manner true to the price being asked. This bidet is a great one since it comes with sanitary protection as well as movable guards which not only make it a healthier and cleaner choice but also make it a safe one. High-quality components have been used and the installation is just like counting 1, 2, 3. Just like other products by Lux Bidet, this one also gets an 18-month warranty period to provide you with a peace of mind while purchasing. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.